These cinnamon cookies are so quick and easy to make. They are so tasty and they're actually really good for you. You're going to love them. They also happen to be vegan and gluten-free and dairy-free and refined sugar-free. So first step, we are going to preheat our oven to 350, and then we're going to take out almond flour, which is so good for you. It's filled with antioxidants and protein and vitamins and minerals such as magnesium. You're going to use half a cup of that. Pour that into your mixing bowl, and now the star of the show, cinnamon. Aside from being so tasty, cinnamon has antioxidants and antimicrobial properties and anti-inflammatory, and it has been prized for medicinal properties for a very long time. You're going to use 2 teaspoons of that, which is a tremendous amount of cinnamon, but you're going to love it. Next, you're going to take out your vanilla extract, which is just going to add some warmth, and I feel like it's like a nice hug to a cookie. You're going to use a half a teaspoon of that. Now maple syrup, and you're going to use a tablespoon and a half. This is one of my favorite sweeteners because aside from being delicious, it also has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, and it has minerals such as manganese, and you're going to mix that baby up. Now, if you're lazy like I am and you don't want to have to clean your baking sheet afterwards, you're going to want to put a thin layer of parchment paper so the cookies will stick to that instead of the baking sheet. Then you're going to take your well-mixed batter and you're going to divide it up probably into about 5 cookies. I purposely made them small because, again, each one of these cookies is going to pack a powerful cinnamon punch. But let me tell you, if you love cinnamon, you're going to love them, but they really can be small, and that's quite all right. Then you're going to take those cutie pies and put them into your oven. Now, if you like them soft and chewy like I did, they will be ready after 5 minutes. If you like them crispy, then you can wait until about 10 minutes. Take them out. Your house at this point, your home is going to be smelling so warm, soft, cinnamony smell, cookies, just amazing. Really a treat for your home. And you're going to be tempted to eat them, but don't do it just yet because you want to let those babies sit on the baking sheet for about 10 minutes. And even after that, I know this is brutal, you're going to want to let them sit on the cooling rack for about 10 minutes. You know, for more healthy, easy, skinny recipes, please subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you. These cinnamon cookies are soft and chewy and so good. You're going to love them. You know, cinnamon was originally saved for kings, but now we can have it anytime we want. As for toppings, I didn't use any because I didn't think it needed it, but I have drizzled peanut butter on top. I've put chocolate chips inside the cookies. That's amazing. You can put almond slices, pecans, walnuts, all of that is great. For more easy, healthy, skinny recipes, please subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you. And for more healthy, skinny cookie recipes, check this video out.